Nokia 1100 disassembly. You need SRT6, a Torx Plus driver size 6, and metal tweezers. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect window with the film to avoid dust and scratches. Remove battery cover. Remove A cover. Also, protect inner side of the window. Take SRT6 and release the edges of the key mat. Now, key mat can be removed. Unscrew the 6 Torx Plus screws in the following order. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Put down UI module ASCII onto a soft cloth to protect the sensitive LCD. Unlock the 2 plastic snaps of the light guide. Now you can remove LCD with light guide. Protect LCD with a film. Remove speaker with tweezers. Take away the radio module and place it onto top side. Remove shielding from D cover. Remove system connector with SRT6. Carefully push out microphone with the Torx driver. Lever out vibromotor. Remove buzzer. Now disassembly procedure is completed.